Your next car could be the 2023 Honda HR-V. Presenting the Honda HR-V, the small SUV that thinks big and bold when it comes to safety, convenience, handling, cargo, fuel efficiency, and infotainment technology. We think you'll agree it's an engineering marvel. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seat, alarm, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, rear spoiler. Kick your worries to the curb. This Honda HR-V is all about making your life easy and comfortable. Take it out for a drive today.